in the front aviary just next to the flamingos. This is Piper, and Piper is our laughing kookaburra. Now there are 4 species of kookaburras, and they are members of the kingfisher family. So that's why she might look quite familiar to you, because of course we do have some native kingfishers over here in the UK. Now you find the laughing kookaburras over in Australasia, so usually through eastern Australia, also the islands surrounding there as well. So New Zealand have a species, Papua New Guinea, Fiji, and so they've been introduced into a lot of areas throughout Australasia. We usually find them in forested areas, and usually quite a small family group. So there tends to be the breeding pair, and then some offspring from previous years. And those offspring will help raise any future chicks that the breeding pair have. Now they are very, very sociable, but they're also very territorial as well. So the call that Piper makes, which gives her the name the laughing kookaburra, is a territorial call. So she'll do it every single morning, and then she'll do it in the evenings as well. And that warns other kookaburras in the area that she lives there, and she doesn't want them to come into the area and try and take her food or harm her family. Now, our kingfishers around in the UK, you tend to see them around streams and rivers, because they tend to go for small fish, things like minnows, sticklebacks, but the kookaburras actually have a more carnivorous diet. So they will be going for small mammals, small rodents, things like that. They'll go for amphibians, they'll go for insects, reptiles as well, even the occasional snake. Now the kookaburras are known as a sit-and-wait predator, so Piper would be sat on a branch like she's doing now, and she'd wait for that prey to come underneath her. She'd then pounce down onto the floor and grab that prey, usually just behind the head. Now that means that if it is a snake, the snake hopefully is not going to be able to turn around and bite her, because some of those snakes in Australia of course are very venomous, and Piper's quite a small bird, so it's probably going to take her life if she gets bitten by one. What she'll then do is fly back up to the branch, and she'll start hitting that prey on the branch. Now that is hopefully to dispatch it, but also to break off pieces as well. Piper's got quite a large beak, but she does have a relatively small throat. So she can't actually eat food items whole, so she has to break off pieces so they're much more manageable in the hope that she still gets a nice meal. Now by doing those calls every single morning, it has given her a nickname of the Bushman's alarm clock, because it's a very, very loud call, it carries very, very far, and the locals have kind of given her that nickname. But we're going to travel across the planet now.